So good morning everyone. Today we'll discuss about the decimation in time algorithm. So that is FFT algorithm. So in the last class we discussed about the discrete Fourier transform. So in the discrete Fourier transform, when we will calculate the values means or when we will transform the signal, then the number of calculation is more. So the discrete Fourier transform is not efficient compared to the FFT. So that's why FFT is come. Discrete Fourier transform is not efficient. To convert it more efficient method. So first method is DIT algorithm. So that is decimation in time algorithm. So there are basically two methods we are calculating FFT. One is DIT, another one is DIF algorithm. So first we will solve some problem based on DIT algorithm. We will calculate the discrete Fourier transform using DIT, as well as we will calculate inverse discrete Fourier transform using DIT algorithm. So what is DIT algorithm? So decimation in time algorithm are used to calculate the discrete Fourier transform of an n-point sequence. The idea is break the n-point sequence into two sequences. The algorithm is more efficient to calculate the discrete Fourier transform and inverse discrete Fourier transform. So using this method, DIT algorithm will solve discrete Fourier transform as well as inverse discrete Fourier transform in an efficient way. So first we'll consider one problem. The problem given is find the discrete Fourier transform of a sequence x of n equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 using a DIT algorithm. So number of point in this sequence, that is 4. So we are considering n equal to 4 number of points because nothing is mentioned in the exam question, means which points we will calculate the DIT algorithm. So here number of points here is 4, so directly we will consider that n equal to 4. If point n equal to 8 is given in the question, like the question find the discrete Fourier transform of a sequence x of n using DIT algorithm considering n equal to 8, then we should extend the x of n value. We will add some modes 4 0 value to give the 8 number of point in the sequence. So that is the how we can calculate the points. If it is directly given, then no issue. If it is not given, then we will consider n equal to 4. Okay, so number of points is 4. Next, there is some common step for all n equal to 4 point DIT FFT algorithm. So those are the common step. If any question come in the exam considering n equal to 4 point DIT FFT, so you should write those steps, then only you will get some marks. So first step is the butterfly operation is given by a, b is the input, omega n whole to the power k is the twiddle factors. So output of a and b is, first point is a plus b omega n to the power k, and another one is a minus b omega n to the power k, where a and b are the inputs and omega n to the power k is the twiddle factor. Now the twiddle factor associated with the butterflies considering n equal to 4 is omega 4 to the power 0 equal to 1 and omega 4 to the power 1 equal to minus j. If n equal to 4, then there is two twiddle factor will come. One is omega 4 to the power 0 is 1, another one is omega 4 to the power 1 is minus j. So that is common for all n equal to 4 cases. Twiddle factor value is 2. Next, step 3. So what will be the form of the input? So input is in bit reversal order. First we will consider input index, there is 4. So 0, 1, 2, 3. So what is the value of 0 in binary form? 0, 0. What is the value of 1? 0, 1. What is the value of 2? 1, 0. What is the value of 3? 1, 1. So if we will reverse the bit, so 0, 0 will come 0, 0 only. 0, 1 will become 1, 0. And 1, 0 become 0, 1 and 1, 1 become 1, 1. So what is the value of 0, 0? In bit reversal index 0. Next 1, 0 means 2. 0, 1 means 1 and 1, 1 means 3. So that is the bit reversal index. So we'll write the input in bit reversal order. But output is in natural order. So how many number of stages will be associated with n equal to 4? So the number of stages m equal to log n suffix 2, so that is 2. So number of stages will be associated with this DIT algorithm. For considering n equal to 4, the stages will be 2. And number of butterflies means each butterflies for each stage is n by 2, that is means 4 by 2, so that is 2. So those are the things are common for all the problem regarding n equal to 4 DIT based algorithm. Now we are considering one input is x of n. We want to find out the DIT algorithm of DIT FFT of x of n sequence. So x of n sequence, so there are 4 points are there. For 0, x of 0, 1 is x of 1, 2 is x of 2, and 3 is x of 3. So those are the input. So stage 1, so there will be 2 stages. Already we discussed earlier slide. So there will be 2 stages are there. In the first stages, how many butterflies will be associated for n equal to 4? 2 butterfly in each stage. So first we will draw the butterflies. So here in black colors you will see there are 2 butterflies are there. Now we will consider the input. So here we will see the input is in bit reversal order. X of 0, next x of 2, x of 1 and x of 3. You can consider that even part also. X of 0, x of 2 both are even, and x of 1, x of 3 both are odd. Now the butterfly for those 2 butterfly, the twiddle factor associated with first stage omega 4 to the power 0 equal to 1, among same omega 4 to the power 0, that is the value is 1. So the twiddle factor associated with stage 1 in 2 butterflies, the values are same. Omega 4 to the power 0 equal to 1 and omega 4 to the power 0 equal to 1. Now if you will try to solve this problem of first butterfly, so first butterfly A value is here 0, B value is 2 and omega 4 to the power 0 value is 1. So if it is just a simple addition, 0 plus 2 means 2. So that is the first step. Now if we will see the what is in the second part, that is a minus b omega n to the power k. So here also a equal to 0, b equal to 2 and omega 4 to the power 0 is 1. So we will get a minus b, so that is value is minus 2. So in the first stage 1 butterfly, if we will calculate 0 and 2 are input, the output will be 2 and minus 2. Now we will see the next stage, means same stage second butterfly. So second butterfly, the twiddle factor associated with omega 4 to the power 0 equal to 1. So things is same, just simple addition and subtraction. 1 plus 3 equal to 4 and 1 minus 3 equal to minus 2. Okay, so our stage 1 is completed. So out of 2 stages we completed first stage. So here input are in bit reversal order and just we will add 2 butterflies and simple addition as and subtraction. So now we will see the next stage. What will happen in the next stage? So stage 2, the input for stage 2 is the output of the stage 1. So inputs are 2 minus 2, 4 minus 2. So now in the stage 2, the butterfly will be associated with first one and third one and second one and fourth one. So first we will see the first butterfly, that is first one and third one. So the input will be A will be 2, B will be 4. So the twiddle factor associated with first butterfly omega 4 to the power 0 equal to 1, where input is A equal to 2 and B value is 4. So if we will see the output values will be 2 plus 4 simple addition 6 and 2 minus 4, that is minus 2. So our stage 2 first butterfly is similar to the stage 1 first 2 butterfly, and we will solve it in easily simple calculation. 2 plus 4 simple addition and subtraction. Now we will see the second butterfly. So second butterfly, the twiddle factor associated with this butterfly, it is omega 4 to the power 1 equal to minus 3. So here inputs are minus 2 and as well as same minus 2. So omega 4 to the power 1 equal to minus j. So we'll see a plus b omega 4 to the power 1. So a is minus 2, b is minus 2, and omega 4 to the power 1 equal to minus j. So answer is minus 2 plus minus 2 into minus j, that is means plus 2j. So minus 2 plus 2j. Now we'll see the next part. So the answer will become just the complex conjugate of the first one, a minus b omega 4 to the power 1. So a is minus 2, b is minus 2, and omega 4 to the power 1 is minus j. So the answer will be minus 2 minus 2j. Clear? So that is the complete stage 1 and stage 2. So the output are we already mentioned. So those are the output, and output is in natural order. So input is in bit reversal order, but output will be natural order. So output are x of 0, x of 1, x of 2 and x of 3. So the output of the answer is x of k 6 minus 2 plus 2j minus 2 minus 2 minus 2j. So those are new. Just see the things here. X are in the x alphabets are in where answer in output side x is capital, but in input side keeps it small. Okay, so those things you should note down, all those things, and here output is in natural order. Okay, so the result of DIT algorithm, that is completed. So first we will see the things which is common to all the cases, then we will find out the two butterfly diagram, stage 1 and stage 2, and we solve the stages. Now let's see the another. So the question is given, find the discrete Fourier transform of a sequence x of n 1 minus 1 1 minus 1 using DIT algorithm. So we'll see here also the number of capital N value is not mentioned. So a number of point in this sequence is 4. So we'll consider n equal to 4 capital N. So what are the common step for n equal to 4 point DIT FFT? Already we discussed in the last problem. So those are the common step. The butterfly operation is same for all DIT algorithm. A plus b omega n to the power k and a minus b omega n to the power k. So those steps we should write in each n equal to 4 condition in exam point of views. Those things are same for all cases, all problems. Now steps 2 is the Tweedale factor. So those are already we discussed. The Tweedale factor associated with n equal to 4 is 2, omega 4 to the power 0 is 1, and omega 4 to the power 1 is minus j. Now step 3 is same, input is in bit reversal order. So we already discussed input index 0, 1, 2, 3. If it is right, we will write in binary, then 0 means 0, 0, 1 means 0, 1, 2 means 1, 0, 3 means 1, 1. And bit reversal means 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1 and 1, 1. Just reverse. Now bit reversal index is value 0, 0 means 0, 1, 0 means 2, 0, 1 means 1 and 1, 1 means 3. So that is for 4 index. If index is 8, then binary index value will be increases. So it will be goes up to 0 to 7. Then binary index value will be changes. Then we will done the bit reversal, and then we will done the bit reversal index. Okay. So those things we will see for n equal to 8 in another lecture. Now output is in natural order. Now number of stages m equal to log n base 2. So number of stages is also common, that is 2, and the number of butterflies per stage is 2. So those things are the common for each and every case, whether the capital N value is 4, when the capital N value is 4. So those things we should write in exam also. So half of the marks we will get from those steps. If mark is question is 4 marks question, then we will get 2.5 for writing those stages. Okay. Now we'll come to our problem or butterfly problem. First stage 1. So stage 1 input are 1, x of 0 is 2, x of 2 is 1, x of 1 is minus 1, x of 3 is minus 1. So first stage is simple. So that is input is in bit reversal order. First stage is simple. So here Tweedale factor associated with first stage is omega 4 to the power 0 equal to 1, and omega 4 to the power 0 is same 1. So that is the simple addition. 1 plus 1 is 2 and 1 minus 1 is 0. So here we will see a value is 1, b value is also 1, and omega 4 to the power 0 is 1. So we will get addition, simple addition, 1 plus 1 equal to 2 and 1 minus 1 equal to 0. Now consider so similarly these things we can see easily, minus 1 and minus 1, so addition of minus 1 and minus 1, that is minus 2, and just subtraction is 0. So that is the complete stage. So that is very easy. 1 plus 1 2, 1 minus 1 0, minus 1 minus 1 minus 2, minus 1 plus 1 0. So our stage 1 is complete. Now we are moving to the next stage, that is stage 2. So stage 2, there are two Tweedle factor will be associated for stage 2. One is omega 4 to the power 0 is 1, another one is omega 4 to the power 1 equal to minus j. So first we will see the first butterfly which is associated with stage 2, first butterfly which we marked in a black color. So see, the inputs are 2 and minus 2. So simple addition, 2 plus minus 2 is 0 and 2 minus minus 2 is 4. Now we will see the second butterfly which Tweedle factor associated is omega 4 to the power 1 equal to minus j. So the second butterfly we have seen, so here a value is 0 and b value is 0. So if a and b value is 0, so answer is automatically will be 0. So the output order is x of 0, x of 1, x of 2 and x of 3. So that is the output is natural order. So the answer is final result x of k is 0 0 4 0. So those are the complete question answer of our second problem. The input is 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1. So we will get output 0 0 4 0. So the answer is 0 0 4. Now see some example, those some tricky question, those you can do in homework also. Now see, if the question is given x of n equal to minus 1 whole to the power n considering 4 points DFT. So here direct sequence is not given. We should find out the sequence, then we will solve the answer in our normal methods. So first we will find out, so here 4-point DFT is given. So first we will find out the 4 points. The points are x of 0, x of 1, x of 2 and x of 3. So what is the value of x of 0? So x of 0 we can find out minus 1 whole to the power 0. So the answer is anything to the power 0, the answer is 1. Minus 1 whole to the power 1, that is the minus 1. Minus 1 whole to the power 2, that is the 1. And minus 1 cube, that is minus 1. So that is the sequence. So after finding out the sequence, so that is the same problem we have done in the last class or last slide. So that is the find the DFT of the sequence x of n equal to minus. Now see the another question. If the question come x of n equal to 2 to the power n considering 4-point DFT, so similar method. So input sequence will be 2 to the power 0 1, 2 to the power 1 2, 2 to the power 2 4 and 2 to the power cube, that is 8. So that is a complete DIT algorithm to find out the DFT considering 4-point discrete Fourier transform. Now let's see what is IDFT. So in the IDFT, whatever the things in DFT, the output will be the input and we'll find out the value of the x of n. So here x of k value is given, so we should find out the value of x of n. So here x of k given is 4-point sequence. So for IDFT, so first we also find out, first method is common, n equal to 4, we will find out the number of points, how many points are there in the sequence. If it is capital N value is not given. Next, so some common step for all IDFT using DIT algorithm problem considering n equal to 4. So butterfly diagram is common for DFT as well as IDFT using DIT algorithm. So that is a common butterfly diagram for DIT, DFT, DIT, IDFT for both cases. Now see what are the changes in the, so step 2 Tweedle factor associated with the butterflies are for n equal to 4 is same, omega 4 to the power 0 is 1 and omega 4 to the power 1 is minus j. And input is in a bit reversal order but in complex conjugate form. Means what is means complex conjugate? Means if a plus b j is there, then what will be the complex conjugate of a plus bj? A minus bj we will write. But if input is real, then no changes. Real value is there, means 2, 5, 6, then no changes. If 2 plus 2j is there, then we will write in 2 minus 2j. If 2 minus 2j is there, we will write in 2 plus 2j. but the output is in form of n into x conjugate of small n in normal order. Okay, so number of stages will be associated is 2, and the number of butterflies per stages is same, that is also 2. Now we'll see in the stage 1, so our input is x of k 10 minus 2 plus 2j minus 2 minus 2 minus 2j. So here two values are complex, one is minus 2 plus 2j, another one is minus 2 minus 2j. So we'll write these things in complex conjugate form in the input order. So first see x of 0, x of 1, x of 2 and x of 3. Now in stage 1, the butterfly associated with stage 1, that is 2, and the input will be x conjugate of 0, so that is real value 10, so real value no changes. X of 2 is minus 2, that is also real value. There is no imaginary value in x of 0 and x of 2, so directly same values. But x of 1 and x of 3, there are some imaginary values, so we'll write it minus 2 minus 2j, another one is minus 2 plus 2j. So those are the input. So the butterfly associated with in complex conjugate form. So butterfly associated with stage 1 is omega 4 to the power 0 1 and omega 4 to the power 1 is 1. So similar things, we just do the simple addition and subtraction. Already we will discuss in the last slides. So omega 4 to 10 minus 2, that is 8, 10 minus minus 2, that is 12 only. So similarly here A value is given 10, B value is minus 2. So we will see all those things how we can calculate by using butterfly associated formulas a plus b omega n to the power k. Here A value is 10, B value is minus 2 and omega 4 to the power 0 is 1. Now see the next butterfly. So here also minus 2 minus 2j and minus 2 minus plus 2j are the input. So if you will write those input, we will get the values is, first value is minus 4 and a minus b omega n to the power k, then we will get value is minus j4. So our first stage is completed. So the output of the first stage is 8, 12 minus 4 minus j4. Okay, so we'll see the next stage. So the input of the stage 2 is the output of the stage 1. So outputs are 8, 12 minus 4 minus j4. So in the first butterfly, output is input is 8 and minus 4, and the butterfly associated Tweedle factor is omega 4 to the power 0, that is 1. So the inputs are 8 and minus 4. So that is simple addition and subtraction. So 8 minus 4, the value is 4. 8 minus minus 4, the value is 12. So now we will see the next butterfly of the stage 2. So in the next butterfly, the inputs are 12 and minus j4. But here Tweedle factor associated with this butterfly is omega 4 to the power 1, that is minus j. So when we will see the first a plus b omega 4 to the power 1. So first input a is 12, b is minus j4, omega 4 to the power 1 is minus j. So we will get the input 12 minus j4. So we will get the value is 8. So how we will get this value? 12 plus minus j minus minus, that is plus j square, that is imaginary value j equal to root over minus 1. So j square equal to minus 1. So 12 minus 4. So that is answer is 8. Now see the next. So next value is same. So 12 minus j4 minus j square equal to minus 1. So we will get 12 plus 4, that is 16. So in the stage 2, the output will get 4, 8, 12, 16. But the output will be in 4 also in conjugate form, complex conjugate form. So we will get 4x to the power 0, 4x to the power x conjugate of 1, 4x conjugate of 2, 4x conjugate of 3. You may be asked why that 4 is there, because that is 4-point DFT we have done. So that is in n x conjugate of 0, n x conjugate of 1, n x conjugate of 2 and capital N x conjugate of 3. If the value is capital N value is 8, then it will come 8x conjugate of 0, 8x conjugate of 1, 8x conjugate of 2 and 8x conjugate of 3. Now we will see. So output is n x to the power x conjugate of n normal order. So the final result is 1 by 4, 4, 8, 12, 16, because all values are real values. So we are no need to tension about the complex conjugate and other things, because all values are real. 4, 8, 12, 16. If we will divide those values, then we will get answer 1, 2, 3, 4. So that is the answer of our problem. So here input is in bit reversal order in complex conjugate form, and output is also complex conjugate form, but the output is multiplied with the capital N equal to 4 values. Those two things are the difference in compared to the DFT and IDFT using DIT algorithm. Now we will move to some example. So example for homework, find the IDFT of the sequence. Here x of k is given 5432 considering 4-point IDFT. So here input is in, if you will write in complex conjugate form, so no need to change the values because all values are real, so we no need to change the values, but input will write in bit reversal order. But if the question is come like that, IDFT of the sequence x of k equal to 1 plus j, 1 minus j, 2 minus j and 2 plus j, here all values are complex conjugate. So whenever we'll write the input, we should first change the its, make it in conjugate form, and then we'll find out its DIT algorithm based IDFT sequence. So those are the complete 4-point DFT and IDFT using DIT algorithm. So in the next lecture we'll discuss the 8-point DFT IDFT as well as the DFT and IDFT using DIA algorithm considering 4-point as well as 8-point. Thank you everyone.